Hello everybody, it's Mick from Jester Bushcraft and welcome to December's episode of Wild Edibles Food for Free. Every time I come out into these woods I always get a strong scent of a fox, a really pungent smell. I'm just finding that around here now. The ground's very wet and what I've done is I've just been looking down this track here and I've been looking for tracks. There is another area where I've been picking up a strong scent as well, which I'll check out later. But whilst out looking for wild edibles, I always try and do a bit of tracking as well if I can. I have taken some photos of a paw print, which I'll check when I get back. This is the paw print in question, just there. Now I do know that the fox paw print, you should be able to put a cross between the pads, which you kind of can do on that, going across there and down there, whereas a dog print is, you can't do that. I'll see if I can find a dog print and just demonstrate that. I'm not convinced that is a fox print, but I'm still learning the tracking side of things. For those of you that have been following this series, you'll know that I've been using the Collins Gem Food for Free book, which I'll put a link in the description down below if you'd like to know more about it. So this is the book I've been using, obviously in December, and as you can see there's very little to go at, and in the particular area I live in it could be even less. So in today's video I'm basically going to see what is still available in December, whether it's in the book or not. So I'm just going to have a wander around and see what I can see that could be classed as a wild edible. Some nice fungi there on that log. It's like a turkey tail type of fungi. Very nice. The hedgehog fungus still thriving on this log. This is the oyster mushroom that I looked at in November, and you can see it's a lot different now. It's all collapsed on itself. It's looking a little bit worse for wear. When you think what that looked like not so long ago, and that's how it looks like now. So these fungi, they don't last long. The rose hip, for the first time, is starting to look a bit spiky. Ooh, should have known about that. Here's a fungi I've not seen before. It's a bit like a sort of cauliflower fungus. It's one I'm going to have to check up on when I get back. It's just hidden away there in that tree stump, so I nearly fall down the banking. Right, this is why research and having a book like this is so important. I've just found that fungus there, and you look in the book, and although it's not the right time of year, it does say August to November, there's a cauliflower fungus there, which is what I initially thought it was. So when you turn the page, it does say that the only slightly dangerous species would be this one. It's rare, usually growing with beech or under broadleaf trees. Now this is a beech tree. It's very similar to the picture, as you can see there. It mentions it's a pinky coral like. It's difficult to tell on the camera, but I don't know, it's very difficult to tell, but that looks more like that, which is the one it says be wary of. Then it does like that. Colour wise it's about right, but shape and form is more like the other one. So yeah, always good to use your reference books to check and double check. So not quite sure what that is. Here's your cleavers or goosegrass or sticky weed if you prefer. This of course is a wild edible, and this will thrive even through frost and snow. It'll still be there even though this is only in its early stages. Stinging nettle, that's still out and about, and as before in November, probably not the most appetising, but it's still there. Well, this is what's left of the sloes. It wasn't that long ago that this particular bush was absolutely covered in sloes, but now there's just the remnants of the odd shriveled up sloe. But hard to believe that this bush was absolutely covered in them probably about 3 or 4 weeks ago. You can see the duck. Right, well, I'm coming towards the end of my walk now, and also coming to the end of the year. It's been a good year. I've been doing a lot more videos, which I'm pleased about. I'm trying to get out a lot more. So I just want to take this opportunity to thank you for your support over the last 12 months. I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you again in 2019. So I hope you enjoyed this final food for free video of the year, and we'll look forward to starting again in January. So if you did enjoy that, please like and subscribe, leave a comment down below, and we'll see you on the next video next year. Thanks for watching.